What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. AutoWorld collectors, this is for you. As you can see, I have two factory sealed cases of the newest release of AutoWorld. This is Premium 2020 Release 2. These are version A and these are version B. And we are gonna open these up. Where did I get these cases? I got them from 3000toys.com. So if you want some cases, you can get them from them. They're not paying for me to support them in this video. It's just where I get the cases from, and a lot of people always ask, hey, where do you get your cases from? Where do you get your cases from? That's where I get my cases from. Alright. I'm gonna cut this open. I'm going to cut this open. Alright. I know what's supposed to be in these cases, but I don't know, like, which cars are supposed to be in these cases, but I don't know. Like, I can't see in these cases, so we're gonna just, let's start with one out of version A. So this is cool. This is the 2011 Chevy Camaro RSSS. This is version A, this is number 5 in the release. This looks really good in that green, synergy green. Looks good. I love the card art on this release. Now let's pull one from B. Let's pull this one. This is the 1977 Chevy Cheyenne C10 Fleetside in red, iridescent, and white. And you can see that red has like a metallic kind of look to it. It looks real good, and the white, it's really nice. These are, you can tell that these are extremely popular because they're making 10,000 of them. Next, gonna be the 77 Chevy Bonanza C10 Fleetside. This time in a brown iridescent and a neutral cream color. You can see that that brown is also doing that metallic-y effect, which is really, really cool. 10,808 made. Good looking. Here's a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This is in billet silver. You guys probably know by now, if you've been watching my videos, I drive a Jeep. And I like my Jeeps. That looks good. Excited to get that. Here's a new casting. This is the 2019 Chevy Silverado High Country. For you Chevy Silverado fans. And this thing is big. Look how big this is compared to the older Silverado. Thing is massive. If I line up the back, you can see how much more room, how much bigger that is. It's a huge casting. Let's pull another one out of the B box. Alright, I was really looking forward to this. This one is pretty awesome. This is 1966 Chevy Chevelle SS396 in ermine white. Red line tires. Black vinyl top. That looks really good. Here we have the 1975 Buick Estate Wagon. This is in silver mist poly, which I think that looks really good. I like it without the wood grain panel. Red interior. I think that looks really good. Really clean. Here's the version B of the 2011 Chevy Camaro RSSS. This one's in Imperial Blue. Nice dark blue with some white stripes. That looks good. Here's the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in Firecracker Red. That looks unbelievable. This is the color on my Jeep. So I'm gonna have to get more of these. Look, this one's really popular too. 11,000 made. I think I want to do the where people have been taking cars and they turn them into their actual car key. I think I'm gonna find an extra one of these, and I'm gonna do that for my car key. Look at the color on that. This is the 1975 Buick Estate Wagon in a Verde Mist Poly, which is a really dark green with metal flake in it. And this thing with the wood grain looks so good. This looks really, really good. That's good looking. This is a good release. Last one out of each box. Here is the 66 Chevy Chevelle SS 396 in Danube Blue Poly. Dark blue with the metal flake in there. That looks really good. I love the redline tires. I wish they'd put redline tires on more cars nowadays. It would look sweet. And the last one is the 2019 Chevy Silverado High Country in black. Massive, massive casting. And that looks really good. I think my favorites are gonna be the Chevy Chevelle in white. And probably the Chevy Silverado in brown. Although these are all good. All good. All good castings. Hope you find them. Good luck. Happy hunting.